Hi everyone, welcome to my interactive quiz. So I went ahead and used my Walt Disney World interactive map that I created last week as the basis for my quiz. The audience would be any Disney goer that is looking to finalize their knowledge before booking a trip. The skill being used would be that the user can go ahead and navigate throughout the hyperlinks and learn some additional Disney information before being able to name off some different rides and attractions in Disney World. And the objective would be that given this interactive map, the user would then be able to identify various attractions and tips before booking their trip. So once users finish studying the hyperlinks presented here, they can go ahead and click this larger Mickey head up top to see if they are ready for a trip. Users are then taken to the first question in the quiz, which says, which Epcot ride simulates flying on a hang glider and requires riders to be at least 40 inches tall? So users will then see a picture of the Epcot park and have four choices: Test Track, Living with the Land, Soarin', and Mission Space, which are all rides in Epcot that they can choose from. If Test Track is selected, users will be taken to this screen that says Not Quite Mouseketeer, which features a picture of the ride and an explanation as to why they got the answer wrong. For example, Test Track is not a hang glider ride, it is a car ride. By clicking that Mickey in the lower right corner, we are taken back to the question again. If Living with the Land is selected, we are taken to this screen which says, oh Toodles, try again. Again, Living with the Land is incorrect because it is not a hang glider ride, it is a gentle boat ride with no height requirement. So clicking my Mickey head to go back again, I'm taken to the question. If Soarin' is selected, it says time to put on your mouse ears because that is the correct answer. Soarin' is in fact a hang glider ride and users must be 40 inches tall or taller. Going back, if you were to select Mission Space, you would be taken to the screen which says try again before packing your bags because Mission Space, although it is similar to the feeling of flying, you are flying into outer space on a spaceship as opposed to around the world on a hang glider. So again, you can select the Mickey in the lower right corner to be taken back to the main question. And if the quiz were to continue, I would just go ahead and put a button down here to go on to the next question. But yes, that is it for my interactive quiz this week.